Yo, exciting times. When I waste no time. Today, we are here again for the second one. Russ Millions and Tion. Alright, buddy. We go. We not even said nothing much with this going night. We're breaking down, so we're pausing every 10 seconds. If you don't like it, jump off from now, because that's what we're doing.
Yo. English girl named Fiona. Big bad girl named Abiola.
English girl named Fiona, big batty girl named Abiola. Abiola is an African name for the girls, then, right? Alright. See her there?
Yodi shaped like cola. Back up, bring it to the owner.
I'm still up on the roads, cause I left. Still trying to my bros on the tech. Fuck.
This is gonna be one of those videos where me go get distracted by the girl them. Me not tell no lie, me go get distracted. I'm sorry if I do. I'm sorry if I miss certain with them I say, but let's go anyway.
Black man, I don't give a F. Where you wanna get smoke cigarette?
English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola.
We love this already. People. Drop a like on this video. Let's go.
Body shaped like cola. Back up, here come closer.
When I'm say body shaped like cola, I mean the bottle, Coca-Cola bottle. Not the can, not the can. Coca-Cola bottle with the curves and the shape, yeah?
Vida loca. Bullet. High as a cat, never sober. Shot Python, hit him with a cobra.
As a kite, never sober, pipe and hit him with a... Yo, we like that video already, dog. I see her. Big up Tion and Russ Millions.
I'm a Casanova. Bad man persona. Bad man alone can control her. Sorry, your sis got bent over. Pushing my hood to anaconda.
Wow.
What the hell did you just say?
Python, hit him with a cobra. Free up my bro Casanova. Bad man persona. Bad man alone can control her.
Bad man persona. Bad man alone can control her. Bad man she want in her hole. Gunman she want in her hole. Alright, the party now. Listen to the party now.
Sorry, your sis got bent over. Pushing my hood to anaconda.
That just took a weird turn.
Fucking hell. Sorry, your sister get bent over. Push her with anaconda. Sorry, your sister get bent over.
Throw back like Ed Hardy. Stay fly, I'm high like Jeff Hardy.
Yo, bars. Don't make these bars go over your head. Watch
Pushing
out.
my hood to anaconda. Throw back like Ed Hardy. Stay fly, I'm high like Jeff Hardy.
Pushing the head back, like Ed Hardy. Ed Hardy had the thing of the skull on it. That's a logo for the Ed Hardy. But stay fly like Ed Hardy. I'm saying Ed Hardy, right? Yeah, Ed Hardy is the WWF. Jeff Hardy, that's the one. Jeff Hardy is the one where do the whole heap of flips and stuff off the top ropes. Ed Hardy are the brand, right? That's the brand he's talking about. So there's Jeff Hardy and there's Matt Hardy, yeah.
Wet like the tsunami. Big Russ fuck up that punani. Pum turn up, I hit that. Fuck the tip and she ball out.
Yo, moving the blood clot with this, Russ, move your pussy clot to the dog. Me love see the UK artists them I do some girl track. Me love the girl track them. Me not tell no lie.
Fuck up that punani. Pum turn up, I hit that. Fuck the tip and she ball out. Bust my in the girl like.
This is a hit. This is a fucking hit. This is a fucking hit. This is a hit song. This is a hit song. This is a fucking hit song. Who don't like it? Drop a sleep from. No, this is a hit song, bro. This is a hit song. The man saying fuck the put on the raw. So you don't know him not care. Him a risk him life. Let's go.
Yo, I got more than $1 million in savings, but you can still get shaven.
Man, I tell you straight, me have more than $1 million in savings. Money tall, my money enough, but you can still get shaven. Me not ram, not because I'm rich, but you still dig you up.
If I ever get caught by the pagans, I'm my night just waving. In my best life, like I'm on Asen. In my face, love the altercation, but with my shank, that's a combination.
Oi. This, like I said, this is a hit song, guy. This is a fucking hit song. No
Girl with a big back's my weakness, but when I punch man, it's grievous. Just play back the CCTV when I banged him. My defense said Jesus.
Girl with a big back and weakness. When they punch man, it grievous. GBH you get grievous body arm. Man say, when them play about the CCTV basically in a court, in defense, said, Jesus, what a mighty God. Give it to him nice. Knock him out. No, I'm just exaggerating, but yeah.
All my brothers got a ball like the Lakers. Every time I see the arch, what the fuck? Every time I see the arch, it's amazing. Me and Russ like Freddie and Jason.
All I'm better than my balls like the Lakers. The whole team out there are the best.
Man, I'm still up on the roads, could have left. Still chatting to my bros on the tech. Fuck that, man, I don't give a F. What you wanna get? Smoke cigarette?
Where you wanna get smoke cigarette? Not literally smoke cigarette, you know. Like smoke like cigarette. You wanna get smoke like cigarette? You want gunshot? Pop.
English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola. Body shaped like cola. Back up, here come closer.
That video look fun to be in. That video look so fun to be in. Why some of them artists can just DM me and invite me to one of them video shoot ya? You can't just invite me, man. Sure, you see some man a wicked man.
Man, he's too innocent.
Free big A, he's too militant.
They mention us just to get relevant.
Rusty, you ain't come by millions.
Me like how them a do bar for bar, yeah, so. Me like this. You don't see this often in the UK scene. Jamaican love do it in a track when them do combo. But you don't see it really happen here.
Busy get Philip and Annie. She know us already from Keisha and Becky. Head, chest, neck, back, I don't mind belly. Arm them ready, green light, get Shelly.
Arm them ready, get green light, Shelly. Yo, in my chip bars, in my chip, in my go eat that's a dog. No joke.
Yes, citizen, hitting them, diligent, sticking them. None of my niggas are innocent. On site, man, I just stringing them. Come far, but I still finish him. But
me see something pan YouTube where Tion Wayne say him done the drilling. Him not make the drill song. Not make no more drill song. Tion, what you do, brother? Like, look, come on, bro.
D like Megan Thee Stallion.
Russian Rizzy, that's another platinum.
Copy, ops, copy the man them.
Pull up on who, man, bust off
Man,
my
I'm still up on
anthem.
the roads.
Pull up on man bust up my auntie. I want to know. You see me do the pop song dance a while ago, right? Yeah.
Still chatting to my bros on the tech. Fuck that, man, I don't give a F. What you wanna get? Smoke cigarette?
English girl named Fiona.
That part just so catchy. You can't, no matter how much you don't like the song, you have to sing that part. The English girl named Fiona. Abiola.
African girl Adiola. Body shaped like cola. Back up, here come closer.
English girl named Fiona.
Big bad gal named Abiola.
Russ Millions have a vibe. Me like him vibe. Me like Tion Wayne vibes too, but me like Russ Millions vibe same way too. Them good combination. Me love this.
Body shaped like cola.
Back up, bring it to the owner.
English girl named Fiona.
Big bad gal named Abiola.
Well, and him just say back up, bring it to the owner. Him said that before, but I first not hear the part there. Back up, bring it to the owner. Dexter Daps something again. Bring it to the owner. So reference to Dexter Daps there, so Russ Millions, big up yourself for that. Pick up anything for do with Jamaican references, me pick it up.
Body shaped like cola.
Back up, bring it to the
Man, I'm still up on the roads, could have left. Still chatting to my bros on the tech. Fuck that, man, I don't give a F.
Like the dancer. Like the dancer, you fuck. Yo, the whole video is a vibe.
Get smoke cigarette?
English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola. Body shaped like cola. Back up, here come closer.
It's good to see the man them out to have fun, dog. It's good to see the youth them have fun together, brother. Like them out and them enjoy themselves. And not pre no violence, dog. Good combination, dog. Unity, me like it. This is a vibe. This is actually a vibe. That song is a vibe. That song is a hit song. No joke. It's a fucking. This is gonna be one of them classic UK songs there where anytime you go to a club, you have to play it. See? It's gonna be one of them songs where you have to play it. It have to be in your top 10. If it's not in your top 10 as a DJ, go sit on one side, go scratch over this up on a bench. You don't have sense. Yo, me love this. Who no like the song, yeah? Bad mind. Who dislike the song, yeah? Bad mind. Big up Russ Millions. Big up Tion Wayne. Tion Wayne, you cannot quit no drill right now, dog. Come on, bro. What you do like? Where you go sing? Guys, this is a hit song. This is a fucking hit song. If I'm lying, I'm dying. I'm not lying. This is a hit song. No joke, this is a hit song. Guys, if you want to enjoy the reaction and want to see more from me on my channel, subscribe if you're new. Please like the video, guys. Please like the video. Go a long way. And follow my Twitch. Up here, so. Somewhere up here, so. Twitch is really important. Make me try to grow my Twitch. Alright, so guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Be safe. Peace.